Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Spigen to review for the Poco F2 Pro, but before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, today's video, I will be doing a review of the Spigen rugged armor case for your Poco F2 Pro and the K30 Pro, whatever phone you have. I've been rocking the case that came with the phone for, about a month now, and it's about time to step up and get a better case. If you look under Poco F2 Pro on Amazon for cases, there's not many options. Even for the K30 Pro, there's very few options yet. I know a lot of case companies are going to start making cases for both phones because I have reached out to some of the case companies. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. That way you can get it from Amazon. But let's get into this review. I've been using the case for about a day and a half now, and it works really great with the phone. Everything fits, everything lines up, but let me show you that. Nice little presentation from Spigen. Rugged armor. This is in the matte black, as you can tell there. Nice little presentation, but let's see the case. So here's the case itself. Yes, you have a little brand in there, Spigen. You have your normal carbon fiber panels on the top and bottom. Spigen is known for the cutouts for the cutout, for the camera, and also for the IR blast and the mic. On this side, you have the volume rockers and the power button. On the sides, if my V60 would focus, you have the extra grip. Also on the both sides, you do too. Look. Bam. I like the pattern you have on the inside too. Little writings down there too. But let's see how it fits on the phone. Nice and snug. Look at that. Do you get some lip action? Yes, you do. Also, you get that camera protection too because the case is a little raised. And it gives you that grip. I like that grip on there. So the power button works great. The volume rockers feel great too. No problem there. Look at the cutouts at the top. Also at the bottom. I love that blue and black look though. What y'all think? This is a nice case. I told you I've been rocking it for a while now. I know what people are going to ask. I love that little pop-up. And yes, no problem with the pop-up camera at all. So there you go. Yeah, so you could do that a lot and it won't affect it. So that cutout looks good too. And it doesn't get in this way. So what y'all think? I think this actually looks nice. It fits really good. Let's test out the fit too. So, not bad. A little loose on the sides, but I'm not going to stretch my phone out or the case out and test that like that. I just like the grip because it gives you that little grip on the side. And it looks good with that blue and black too. So if you want to pick up this case, like I said, I will have the links in the description. That way you can get it from Amazon and protect your beautiful Poco F2 Pro or the Redmi K30 Pro, whichever phone you have. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both phones. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.